Today we are going to review the MRT Focus RS exhaust system. This is on the 2017 RS. Wild, crazy, fun car, and now we have an exhaust system that matches the sound of fun with the driving experience of fun. So we're going to do a little driving evaluation around town. Start up, little highway, see what our sound quality is on the street as well as the highway. Let's go for a ride. Driving mode will affect the performance sound of this exhaust, and right now we are in just the normal driving mode. And when we go to the track or the sport mode, we're going to get a little bit more attitude in the exhaust, which we'll hear here in a minute. On decel, we get a little bit of gravel, a little bit of attitude. Not trying to sound like a wild man quite yet, but there will be the time. A little bit more spirited acceleration, just getting into traffic. Exhaust sound is good. As you get in the RPMs, it definitely sounds pretty cool. Okay, so spirited acceleration under normal driving mode definitely has a performance sound, definitely an aggressive exhaust. We get the signature crackle popping in the exhaust in between gears, which warns everybody that if they didn't hear you coming with the crackle at shift, they'll know that you're coming up on them. A lot of fun. Alright, so now we're going to get the driving mode into sport. Attitude, has a lot of crackle in the in between shifts. It sounds like it's ready for game. A lot of fun. Alright, next we're going to get out onto the highway and see what our highway speed performance is all about. Highway speeds, which is between 75 and 80. We're at about 2,700 RPM in 6th gear, and really no objectionable sound whatsoever. No boom or resonance or anything angry. So my assessment of this system is really very little downside. If you're looking for an aggressive rally sound out of your rally sport Focus, this is what this system is designed for. And it definitely delivers. It's 3-inch exhaust all the way back from where the MRT system attaches to the factory, and is deep. It's performance. It's free-flowing. It's fun. Order yours today.